Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to share with you something that we both love, and it is cars. Classic cars, restored cars,
Supercars,
sporty cars. Alright, so here we go to the car show. So today is our last full day in Seattle. We leave tomorrow morning. We're kind of sad, but we're glad that we're able to go to the car show because that's one of our favorite things here in Seattle.
Unfortunately, we're gonna miss the whole seafair.
Yeah, seafair is pretty cool.
The whole, like 2 weeks, 2 weeks. There's a whole bunch of activities, parades, Blue Angels. Not sure if they're gonna do it today, this year, but I think they are.
Yeah.
Blue Angels and hydrofoil racing. Those are the big things there.
Yeah, I know a lot of these summertime events went on hold for a couple of years during the pandemic, and now they're back and people are really excited. So it seems like things have a little bit more energy this year because people missed going to them for a few years. Next week we'll be back in Utah and we'll be getting ready for the 4th of July over there. And our anniversary, which is the July 3rd.
July 3rd.
We had our first date on July 4th, and then we got married 2 years later
July 3rd.
on July 3rd.
We were gonna schedule it on July 4th, but
Yeah, we knew that if we did it on July 4th, we'd have a lot of people that couldn't come to our wedding, so we did July 3rd.
Yeah. This is my old neighborhood where I used to live. Everything's tight now. It used to be two-way streets. Now it's like a one-way. They kind of made. We're gonna go that way. Okay? I have one of their albums. If it's the same band. Okay, we're on Greenwood Avenue now. It's closed because of the car show.
Yeah, this one's my favorite color. Oh, okay. Okay, then this one's like cherry red. Something like this, you want to show it off. Dreamy. That is a cool Riviera, but it'd be a truck.
You need a truck.
Yeah.
It's got a pickup head on it. So
Oh,
it's a truck.
oh. But look at the Corvette. Hello. Hello. Oh, and another Corvette. Oh my gosh. Oh! Like the blue one's gonna go so fast. And look at that. So nice, guys. Fine, you know what I'm saying? Don't roll the stroller into the car. Okay.
How cool are they?
They're okay. How cool are they? They're way cool, dude. If you only knew. The Seattleites and their dogs. I'm saying. Look at that. Oh. So pretty. Oh. All right, so Austin is asking me how cool are these cars?
Yeah.
And I'm trying to explain how cool these are to him. And the only way I can say is like, it's an honor if a person gets to own one of these vehicles. You know what I'm saying?
It's not just cars, they're artwork.
It's a piece of art that you could drive around in.
How do you make it?
And history, you know what I'm saying? It's history, it's art, it takes you back to a different time. They made these cars a long time ago, honey. I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. It's like a dream. I love this. Yeah, they're real menacing. That's a good way to put it. Gorgeous cars. Look at that.
Do you like Seattle? Do you like it here, Logan?
Uh-huh.
You like this place?
Somebody said it's making big thing. Hold on. I got plenty.
Guys, back up, guys. Nice. Okay. Little puppy. Look at all those buses. Look at the doggies.
That's room. That's room.
That's a
Gotta appreciate
vintage hydroplane.
flathead Ford and a hydro. Take that out.
Cool. This is my kind of day, man. Woo. Sunshine, amazing cars, and live music. It's like a toy. It's so small. It's so cute. It's so cute. Let's see what the back end looks like. Cute. What is that? What is that white dog? It's huge.
Wolfhound. Rich.
They're kids and they're good. I know, I'm not playing that though. Oh my gosh, they're good. teenager sing like that. Amazing. It's a chihuahua in a wagon. It's a chihuahua in a wagon. Hi, cutie. Donuts being made fresh. That's awesome. Whoa, that's neat. See that? It's gonna toss it in.
Okay, guys.
Okay, can we go now? Go.
Okay. All right, guys.
Fun vacation? Wish it was longer?
They're gone. Austin's gone.
Yeah, they went out.
Am I?
Look at, okay, I know I got it too. So, but I'll show yours, not mine.
So this vacation, we've kind of indulging in fresh, homemade Filipino cooking.
Yes. And I think you have a food baby.
I got a food baby. That kare-kare and nilaga. And,
Just
man, that's
made
my
a food
favorite.
baby in your tum-tum.
Now at home we have a lot of tortang talong.
We ate a lot of turtong talong because we know how to make it.
Now the nilaga and kare-kare, that's another thing. It's a little more involved.
Yeah.
So it's a little harder.
Yeah.
I gotta get my mom's recipe and my aunt's recipes where they're cooking. Food coma.
Food coma, right? That was a good thing to do right after all the walking at the car show.
Yeah, we did make
A
10
lot of
walks,
walking.
and we haven't even seen half of it.
We were tired and hot, and it was good to come home and eat.
So many cars to see, like amazing cars. And I was kind of hoping to see that Ford GT that's usually there. So a lot of people too. It's never ending. It's like I think it's about more than a mile long.
Wow.
So
We went 10 blocks,
I think less than that,
and then back.
and then back. So probably about 12 blocks altogether.
You think?
Yeah. Yeah. What's
It
that?
felt like a lot more than that.
Yeah. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4. What's that? Six blocks one way. So
No way.
yeah.
Well, when you're going uphill.
Yeah, you're going uphill with kids and everything.
And it's-
Plus, we
yeah.
stopped a lot because we're so many cars to take pictures.
They're so nice.
And I know that there's so, and there's like I said, we haven't even seen half of it. I'm gonna have to turn back because it just got too. We're slow with kids. So.
Yeah. You do what
Okay.
you can.
All right, one more ride, guys.
We're done.
If you're done, yeah, good job. Good job.
Good job.
We're tired.
Now you can play.
It's our last day, unfortunately. So gotta head back home soon. Tomorrow.